Okay, so afternoon. The sun is out finally, but the wind is high. Very high winds over here. You can still see the red flag out. And that wind is coming out from the ocean right now, and it is cold, I can tell you. That's also the reason why this beach is quite empty right now. Some people are out there. But further on, this place is empty right now. No one here on the lounges. Temperature for today hasn't gotten higher than 18 degrees. And the water skiing is still open. But you must be crazy to go out there right now. Over here at the bars, they're quite empty. And you gotta make sure your glass is full, else an empty glass would probably be blown off the table. That is how strong the winds are currently. Let's go and see all the other bars down the road, like Tiki Beach, are also impacted by the heavy winds. Here at Roman, they found a solution. Close the place up with the glass and make it nice and warm inside. And no wind at all. Over here at the Bulldog, people are having a nice spot out of the wind due to the wall on the left side. It's an excellent place to spend your afternoon right now. And as long as you got a spot out of the wind, then it's pretty doable over here, especially because the sun feels quite warm. Not like over here where the wind is full on the terrace, no one is out there. We're almost at Tiki Beach and we can see the crowd picking up from over here on the beach. Yeah, it's a busy one out here. Next door at Cayman, the wind has no impact on our business, we can see. But because so many places are impacted by the heavy wind, after Les Dunes we're going to the Strip to see how the crowds are over there. Maybe that place is exploding due to the fact it's behind those buildings and out of the wind. While we're heading towards the Strip, we can see some dark clouds coming in already, and the forecast says there's supposed to be another thunderstorm in another hour or so over here, but a small one. But still, rain and thunder does scare a lot of people to go inside. And with almost no wind here, it feels excellent. Despite it's only 18 degrees, the sun makes it feel a lot warmer. And we can see also at the amount of crowds we have over here. Tomorrow 21 degrees, day after 23, so that means the beach will be popular again as well. But for now, most are sticking with a bar. Completely packed this place. And over here at Andy's, also extremely full this place. While on the side streets here there's a little wind, we can see. But most businesses are in the area, which doesn't have an impact by them. And the pool at the Marina Hotel, busy as well. Let's have a look at the back area. As you can see, some balloons at the Old Champions. Is it open again? And yes, after the renovation, it's open again. It looks nice and fresh again. We can't wait to see how busy it will be at night. And the Mango Tango over here looks nice and alive. Quite busy out here. No wind at all and warm in the sun. And we are back at the strip. The Brit station over here. It's quite empty out there. Places in the shade. It's one of the colder places to be right now. The opposite, the Red Lion, no one there. We're gonna take a quick look at how the Royal Arrow back there is doing. Over here at the meeting point, quite empty. Maybe later tonight we'll be busier out there for them. And you can spot the difference between shade and sun very clear over here. Loads of people in the sun, no one over there in the shade. Now we got the Presidente Hotel. Quite a few people out there. Man, those things are big. And over here quite full, nicely out of the wind for them. And this brings us to Hotel California. Quite a few people out here, despite the lack of the sun. Probably next door, the Western Saloon, much busier. Yeah, as we've guessed, loads of people in there. And being out here without all that high winds and the cold does make quite a difference, and it's quite hot out here as well. We do hope these clear skies will stay because it looks so damn well with the palm trees out here. Same goes for the vibrant colors of those hotels back there. Morgan's in the distance will open later tonight. And over here, some people are in there, not that many. Before we're gonna check out the crowds at the Flash Hotel, we're gonna head towards Uncle Pat's, as those places over there usually explode when the sun is out. But they might also be impacted by the wind. Let's see. First we got the Explorers. And despite some offers like 2 pints for $4.50, which isn't actually a quite good offer for Benidorm right now. Hardly anyone there. Man, $4.50 for 2 pints. Can't imagine there are much cheaper places out here. Last time I saw some still for €3 for 2 pints. Uncle Pat's is quite busy out here. Not that extreme, as there is quite some wind on this terrace, unfortunately for them. But might be busier on the other side. Let's go and have a look. Okay, the Riviera is very much full. Hey, having a good time? Oh, it's so nice to see all those people out. And something we notice right now as we're walking here, the refurbishment on the side of the Calypso Hotel is finished and it looks much fresher like this. Very modern as well, but they only got one panel to install. But it is here already, waiting for installment, right up there. And there we have another hot spot, the Flash Hotel bar. Out of the wind, in the sun, having a drink and enjoying your holiday here in Benidorm. Looks good. So that is where we're gonna end things up with for today. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to give a like as it greatly promotes our videos. Do subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet to see more updates from us here in Benidorm. And see you later.